Hi guys, today I would like to show you the welder what I already received from AliExpress. So I ordered it from Czech Republic and cost was really funny, I would say. I ordered this one for 16 euro. So let's check. What is inside? So inside is the welder, cables. They're saying that this is a nickel, but it's not. And Chinese, everything Chinese manual. So here it is like a, okay, they're saying this is a nickel, but unfortunately it's not. This is how it looks after corrosion test in salt. Yeah, salt water. So this is not nickel. Anyway, you can say what is the thickness. You can check what is the thickness. Thickness is between 0.1 and 0.15. Yeah, so this is the, you can see nickel here. So there is screws, okay, 4 screws, 4 nuts, welding pans, okay, with some shrinkage tube, and for the power supply cables. I'm not sure if it's visible for you, but on this cable, it's not visible. It's a 20 amps on this ice, so I'm not sure, I'm not the electrician guy, but I'm not sure if 20 amps it's enough for so big impulses for the welding. So anyway, I ordered this because maybe I'm skipping back to skipping issue or tema. This is the welder. It looks, I would say, quite good. And I saw one nice video how guys tune this way that the opposite side, you just add here the bus bars from copper. I don't have copper, so I will use aluminium, and then we can test it together. So also what I will do is that I will use this welding pan. Okay, there's nothing, just this. Okay, there is the pan and needle, you can say, it should be installed here. . and then it should be complete covered, because this area should be covered. There will be the cables, and I will use the thicker cable then 10 AVG. I will use 8 AVG. So I will show you the result later. Thank you so much for your watching, and have a nice evening.